TS Inter first year economics 10 marks important questions May 2021. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Vamsi Krishna. So today in this video I am going to say about Inter first year Telangana TS Inter first year economics 10 marks question paper May 2021. That is very important. Inter first year economics question paper 2021 May 2021 important. What are the important questions? May appear in the public exams, but for this year, first of all, I suggest each and every student first watch the video completely. You can get an idea what kind of questions may appear in the public examinations. The first and foremost important point is, I suggest each and every student first of all watch the video completely, very important. And if you want to know the details of TS Inter first year 10 marks important questions for May 2021, in the description below. In the description below of this video, you can find the information, the details and the 10 marks and the question paper, information, each and everything regarding economics paper. Very important. Inter first year economics, very important friends. Finally, what are the questions may appear in the public examination for students need to understand, very important. And the most important point I want to say is, this year 30% syllabus has been deleted. 30% the syllabus has been deleted for Telangana Economics TS Inter first year. In that some of the what are the important questions you need to know from these chapters. The 30% deleted chapters from these topics. What are those? Is introduction to economics, theories of consumer behavior, demand analysis, elasticity of demand, production analysis, market analysis, theories of distribution. National income is very important, friend. National income is very important. Money banking. So friends, finally I want to say is, first check the deleted portion. Whatever the deleted portion, you find it out from these units. And what are the deleted portion, what are the 30% deleted portion regarding Inter first year economics, then you can find it out what kind of important questions are there. And one thing is, in economics paper, mainly to get a good marks, the first important point is, every student first of all need to understand and practice the concept. If the students are able to understand and practice the concept, then only they can able to get a very good marks in the public exams. The finally I want to say is, first try to understand, try to concentrate, try to practice what is national income and what is elasticity of demand. There is a theory of consumer behavior. What is a demand? What is a demand? What is a demand analysis? What is elasticity of demand? So first, national income means what? Very important concept, national income. These are the units. In these units, 30% deletion chapter is there. You can find it out as each and every student can easily find the information. What are the deleted chapters? What are the important questions? What are the important questions may appear? You can find in the description below. You can check the details. You can check the details perfectly in the description below, friends. Check the details below. Very important in the description. So friends, I want to say is, getting 90 marks in Inter first year economics paper is very easy for May 2021. The secret point means the success and the secret point is to get a very good marks in economics Inter first year. That is to understand the concept. Understanding the, because so many students, they just learn the answers. So many students cannot understand. First, some students they just learn the answers, they just learn the question, they simply just by heart the answers. If the students by heart the answer, it is very difficult to get good marks. They should understand. Even if any below average student or an average student, if the students are able to forget some questions or answers in the public examinations, by understanding the concept, by preparing with understanding, by practicing, they can easily get a good marks. So finally, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that you will get my updated next videos. So once again I am saying is TS Inter first year economics question paper May 2021. You can find it out in the description below. That is important questions. And what are the deleted chapters? What are the 30% deleted syllabus? The 30% deleted syllabus you can find in the description below of this video. Prepare well and all the best to all the students. And first thing is try to understand the concept. Try to understand the meaning of the question, meaning of the answer. Then only students can get a good marks. Thank you so much.